Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're running on a treadmill, putting in effort but not moving forward? Personal growth often feels like an elusive concept, reserved for the lucky few who seem to figure it out. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking your potential isn't in a new self-help book or a magic formula, but in a simple yet transformative habit you already have access to? That's right, reflection. Reflection is the tool that allows you to make sense of your experiences, gain clarity on your goals, and identify the small, intentional steps that lead to big transformations. In this video, we're diving deep into why reflection is the ultimate key to personal growth, how it works, and practical ways you can integrate it into your life starting today. So, let's take a step back and uncover the power of looking inward. 1. What is reflection? Reflection is the practice of taking a pause to think critically about your thoughts, actions, and experiences. It's not about overthinking or dwelling on the past. It's about understanding why you do what you do, identifying patterns, and learning from them. Think of reflection as holding up a mirror to your mind. It allows you to ask questions like, what went well today? What could I have done differently? What am I feeling right now and why? This habit isn't just about self-awareness. It's about cultivating insight, which is the cornerstone of personal growth. 2. Why is reflection the key to personal growth? Clarity through self-awareness. Without reflection, life can feel like a blur of activities. Reflection helps you slow down and make sense of what's happening. When you reflect, you can clarify your values, priorities, and long-term vision for your life. This clarity allows you to make more intentional decisions, leading to growth. Learning from experience. As the saying goes, experience is the best teacher, but only if you take the time to learn from it. Reflection transforms your experiences into wisdom. It prevents you from making the same mistakes repeatedly and empowers you to build on your successes. Emotional regulation. When you reflect, you create space to process your emotions. This helps you avoid impulsive reactions and instead respond to situations with greater emotional intelligence. Over time, this emotional awareness strengthens your relationships and your sense of inner peace, boosting confidence and resilience. Reflection highlights your progress, no matter how small. By recognizing how far you've come, you build confidence and resilience to tackle future challenges. 3. The science behind reflection. Reflection isn't just an abstract concept. It has real psychological benefits. Research shows that self-reflection activates areas of the brain responsible for problem-solving, empathy, and creativity. By engaging in reflection, you improve your ability to think critically, enhance your emotional well-being, and even reduce stress levels. It's like a mental workout for your brain, strengthening the very skills you need to grow. 4. Practical tips to start reflecting. Now that we know the importance of reflection, how do we make it a habit? Here are some practical strategies. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and experiences is one of the most effective ways to reflect. Try prompts like, what was the most meaningful part of my day? Or what's one thing I learned about myself this week? Meditation. Mindful meditation allows you to sit with your thoughts without judgment, creating space for deeper self-awareness. Daily check-ins. Take 5 minutes each day to ask yourself, what did I do well today? What could I improve on tomorrow? Feedback from others. Sometimes the most valuable insights come from those around us. Ask for constructive feedback and reflect on how it aligns with your self-perception. Periodic reviews. At the end of each month or year, review your goals and accomplishments. What did you achieve? What challenges did you overcome? 5. Reflection in action. Reflection isn't just about thinking. It's about taking action. For example, if you reflect on a difficult conversation and realize you could have been more patient, make a conscious effort to practice patience in your next interaction. If you notice a pattern of procrastination, identify the triggers and create strategies to overcome them. Growth happens when you combine self-awareness with actionable steps. 6. The challenges of reflection. Let's be honest, reflection isn't always easy. It can be uncomfortable to face your shortcomings or revisit painful memories. However, this discomfort is where growth lies. The key is to approach reflection with curiosity and self-compassion. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Reflection is like planting seeds in a garden. At first, it might feel like nothing is happening, but with consistency, those seeds grow into something beautiful. The same goes for your personal growth. By making reflection a regular part of your life, you'll uncover insights, develop resilience, and move closer to the person you want to become. So start today. Take 5 minutes tonight to reflect on your day, your choices, and what you've learned. It might feel small, but over time, these moments of reflection will compound into a life of intentional growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on personal development. And tell me in the comments what's one thing you've learned about yourself through reflection. Let's keep growing together.